details. I'm sorry, I have to cut live to what's happening here in the national capital. There is a clash between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Aam Aadmi Party supporters here in the national capital. BJP is protesting outside the AAP headquarters on the issue of excise policy of the Delhi government. Let's listen into what's happening there, and then I will get you more details. BJP supporters who have gathered outside the Aam Aadmi Party office here in Delhi. This protest comes after Lieutenant Governor gave the go-ahead to the Central Bureau of Investigation to probe the excise policy of the Delhi government. The charge there being that the excise policy is fraught with irregularities. BJP has also made a charge that those who were given the license were people who were making hefty donations to the party account, to the Aam Aadmi Party's donation account. Those are the charges that have been made. We have not heard from the CBI yet officially whether they've already registered a case or they're planning to do a preliminary inquiry. But the Bharatiya Janata Party is keeping the heat on. Aam Aadmi Party on its part has said that they are being targeted after Punjab win because BJP is rattled. Amidst all this, let me bring in Nikhil, my colleague who's keeping an eye on these stories. Nikhil, just talk us through what you're seeing there right now at AAP headquarters.
So, Akansha, the BJP workers have gathered here yet again to protest against the Aam Aadmi Party government, seeking the resignation of Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia. So these are the visuals you are seeing on the TV screens. Hundreds of workers of Delhi BJP, they have gathered here. This is the second time when they are protesting after the recommendation by the LG office for the CBI to step in for the inquiry against the new excise policy which has been implemented in the national capital. Clearly, there are many of the violations which happened in the implementation of the same, and also now the LG sources have been telling us that the revenue excise data is also under the scanner. So clearly you can see now the Delhi BJP workers, they are protesting aggressively. This is the outside the residence, outside the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters in the Rouse Avenue Court near the ITO in the national capital, and there is heavy presence of Delhi police as well, and there is presence of paramilitary forces as well. They are trying to stop the workers of the Delhi BJP, but the Delhi BJP workers are putting all the pressure not just on the barricading but also on the Aam Aadmi Party government, seeking resignation of Satin Jain, who is already facing the heat of the ED officials, and then now the fresh allegations are already against Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia as well over the implementation of the new excise policy in the national capital. I would urge my camera person to show you a 360-degree view of the protest which is happening in the national capital. These are the workers, in fact, who all are present here. For the viewers who are now joining us on CNN News 18, many of the senior BJP leaders, they are already here, including the LOP, leader of opposition Rambir Singh Bidhuri, Kuljit Singh Chahal, who is the General Secretary of Delhi BJP, and including Delhi BJP President Adesh Gupta. They all are present here along with hundreds of their protesters to put pressure on the Aam Aadmi Party. This is the second time when the protest is taking place against the Aam Aadmi Party, and the security has already been heightened, and the LG sources have been telling us that the recommendation, a file was given by the Chief Secretary of the LG that there are some of the violations which happened by the Aam Aadmi Party government, and the minister in charge of the excise department, he is to be held responsible. And along with many of the violations, there were procedural lapses as well in the implementation of the new excise policy. So clearly you can see on the screen there is heavy deployment of the police personnel. I would urge my camera person to show you the road which leads towards the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters. This is the Deen Dayal Upadhyay road. On the right hand side of the road, it is called the Rouse Avenue Court. So Rouse Avenue Court Road is where the headquarters is there of the Aam Aadmi Party. Clearly two layers of barricading can clearly be seen here, and the workers of the Delhi BJP, they have been asked to stop on the first barricading. So this is the first barricading where we are reporting from, and gradually all the workers of the Delhi BJP, they are being detained by the Delhi police. So they will be taken to the nearby police station, and clearly they are putting a lot of pressure. They have been saying that until the action is taken by the Aam Aadmi Party over their minister in charge of the excise and Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia, till that time they are not going to stay silent, they are not going to rest. So clearly the demand is to seek the resignation of Deputy Chief Minister. Also the sources have been telling us from the LG office that many of the
officers, bureaucrats as well, they are also in the line of fire. The LG has recommended and asked for the inquiry for the list of those officers who were involved in formulating all the excise policy. So they are also to be held responsible because of the same. So clearly the pressure is being put by the main opposition party in the national capital, Delhi BJP. There are women protesters as well, and you can see at the barricading side the tussle is taking place between the Delhi police and the Delhi BJP workers as well. And on the barricading there is Kuljit Chahal, who is the General Secretary of the Delhi BJP unit. So the pressure clearly is being put by the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and in fact, to tell more on the same, the Chief Minister of the national capital, he came out in the public domain saying that because of the implementation of the national of the excise policy in the national capital, they have garnered revenue to the tunes of 1400 crore. And yesterday, as per the sources of the LG office, we have been told that this is the bogus amount that the Aam Aadmi Party government has been telling us, and this is the reason why the excise revenue data is also under the scanner, because out of the 1400 crore so-called revenue, 980 crore directly is for the security refund deposit which was submitted as the license fee by the liquor baron. So clearly many of the allegations are there. Let's take a quick view from some of the leaders of the भारतीय जनता पार्टी. सर, आप CNN पे लाइव हैं, आज दूसरी बार आप प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं, क्या कुछ है, आपको लगता है कि कुछ फर्क पड़ रहा है आम आदमी पार्टी को?
देखिए, केजरीवाल जनता के टैक्स के पेयर का हजारों करोड़ रुपए खा गए, उसके लिए भारतीय जनता पार्टी तब तक संघर्ष करती रहेगी जब तक मनीष सिसोदिया और उसके दोषी सलाखों के पीछे नहीं चले जाते, तब तक ये संघर्ष जारी रहेगा। आज उन्होंने ड्राई डे भी घटा दिया है और जांच का काम भी वही कर रहा है जो बना रहा है वही ठेकेदार। ठेकेदारों को सैकड़ों करोड़ रुपए डायरेक्ट उन्होंने केजरीवाल ने दिया है जो दिल्ली की जनता को मिलना चाहिए। एक ब्लैक लिस्टेड कंपनी को उन्होंने ठेका दे दिया जो भारत के इतिहास में आज तक नहीं हुआ है। तो अरविंद केजरीवाल सिर्फ ठेकेदारों को पैसा पहुंचाने के लिए कट्टर बेईमान मुख्यमंत्री हैं, और इस कट्टर बेईमान मुख्यमंत्री के खिलाफ भारतीय जनता पार्टी सड़कों पे तब तक रहेगी जब तक सलाखों के पीछे नहीं चले।
हरिहर जी, आप स्पोक्स पर्सन भी हैं भारतीय जनता पार्टी के, पहले भी आप प्रोटेस्ट करते रहे हैं। सत्येंद्र जैन जो हेल्थ मिनिस्टर हैं वो पहले ही ईडी की कार्रवाई फेस कर रहे हैं, लेकिन उनका भी 1.5-2 महीने हो गए हैं, कुछ कार्रवाई या उनको किसी चीज से हटाया नहीं गया है, बर्खास्त नहीं किया गया है। आपको लगता है डीसीएम पे, ये मनीष सिसोदिया पे कार्रवाई होगी? क्योंकि लगातार आम आदमी पार्टी कह रही है कि भाई ये तो बदले की कार्रवाई है।
देखिए, सत्येंद्र जैन के खिलाफ तमाम सारे सबूत हैं। कई बार अरविंद केजरीवाल ने उनकी बेल को कराने की कोशिश की, लेकिन कोर्ट में तमाम सारे सबूत हैं, इसलिए उनकी बेल रिजेक्ट हो रही है बार बार। और मनीष सिसोदिया, अरविंद केजरीवाल इसलिए डर रहे हैं क्योंकि उनको पता है कि उन्होंने क्या गुनाह किया है। हमेशा गुनहगार ही कानून से डरता है, बाकी कोई नहीं डरता। अगर आपने गलत काम नहीं किया है तो फेस करिए। जो भारतीय जनता पार्टी जनता के, दिल्ली के लोगों का सवाल उठा रही है उसका जवाब दीजिए। आप भाग क्यों रहे, इधर उधर की बात क्यों कर रहे हैं?
हरिहर जी, थैंक यू फॉर स्पीकिंग ऑन CNN News 18. So clearly the pressure is being put by the leaders of the Bharatiya Janata Party, and they are seeking the resignation. These are the visuals where the workers are being detained. Back to you, Akansha.
Right. But Nikhil, just one question. I can see Delhi police are detaining these protesters. They must be apprehensive. Last time there was a protest by BJP outside the Delhi Chief Minister's residence. It went completely out of hand. Questions were raised by the apex court as well. So Delhi police seems better prepared to ensure nothing untoward happens?
Well, as far as the preparation of the Delhi police is concerned, they already have been saying that no permission was taken from the Delhi BJP with regards to the protest which has been happening in the national capital. This is the reason why the detention becomes important, and every time and again whenever any of the opposition political party they demonstrate against the establishment in the national capital, they are being detained. So today as well they have put into place in fact 2 layers of barricading was put in place by the Delhi police to make sure that the workers, the protesters of the Bharatiya Janata Party do not reach out directly outside the headquarters of the Aam Aadmi Party, and now they are being gradually detained by the Delhi police. They were, in fact, if we talk about the Delhi BJP chief, Adesh Gupta, he has already been taken into the detention by the Delhi police, and we are expecting that the other remaining workers as well from the Delhi BJP side, they will be taken to the nearby police station, and already the detention process has been started from the Delhi police. So the Delhi police is already well prepared, and not just there is a presence of Delhi police. In fact, the paramilitary forces have also been deployed here to make sure that no untoward incident or no violent protest should take place from the workers of the Delhi unit of BJP side. Back to you.
And from what you're telling me, they have been stopped much before they could reach the Aam Aadmi Party headquarters, which means the possibility of a clash between the two sides has been averted.
Well, clearly, and for the viewers who are now joining us on CNN News 18, the point that you have just mentioned, we are going to show you the visuals as to what the preparation of the Delhi police is. This is the road, which is the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Marg. The left side is the Deen Dayal Upadhyaya Marg, and on the right side is the Rouse Avenue Court Road, where the Aam Aadmi Party headquarter already is. So clearly you can see this lane is completely vacant. This is the preparation of the Delhi police, and the layer of the barricading can clearly be seen here and out. When the barricading ends, there is also presence of additional forces which have been deployed by the Delhi police personnel. So this is the first layer of barricading, Akansha, where we have been reporting from. So all the BJP workers, they have been asked to stop here, and if they are not going to stop, if they are trying to break the barricades, all the workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party, they are gradually being taken into the detention. Then they will be taken to the nearby police station, where after the procedural inquiry, they will be released later.
All right.
Back to
Nikhil
you.
Lakhwani, thank you so much. Nikhil, they're reporting from the National Capital, where the Bharatiya Janata Party Delhi unit is taking on Aam Aadmi Party on the issue of excise policy.